Hi mates, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to cut and sew this beautiful flace skirt. So if this is what you're interested in, then let's get started. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So this is the fabric that I'm using. I'm using 3.5 yards of sunray fabric and the belts that I'll be using for the band. So at first, I got two belts. I got two elastics. Okay, one 1.5 inches and the other one 3 inches. So I bought the smaller one because of the design that it has at the top, and it is way more stronger. So I decided to go with the 2 inches. So as you can see, I folded my fabric into two like this. So I just want to cut the front and the back separately, but you can decide to cut the front and the back together and just make 4 folds. But here I've just done 2 folds, like I just folded it once like this. So next I'm going to come down. My waist divided by 4 is 9 inches, and I'm going to come down on the fabric where it will contain that 9 inches point, and I've marked that as you can see here. Okay, so that is what I've marked. So I'm going to place it from the top like this and take it round. Okay, what I had, I'm just going to take it round all the way like this. Okay, now please note that once you're taking it round, it is automatically going to be bigger than your actual waist because it is now round. Okay, having a straight line and a round line, they are two different things, so take note of that. So from this point, I'm going to measure down. From that point that we marked, I'm going to come down and mark whatever that is left, if it's enough for my length, and then I'm going to take it. I took it back to the top, and then I'm just taking round what I had at that beginning point. I'm just taking it all the way around to the other side of the skirt. So that is what you're going to do, and then just take it round as you see me doing. Now this fabric was very stressful to work with, okay, because it has a pattern on it, so it was really stressful for me to work with. But and it shifts, like it's very lightweight, so it shifts, but luckily I was able to just manage my way around it. Okay, so if you're a beginner, I wouldn't advise that you use this fabric right away. You can just use a normal fabric that you have. Okay, so this is what we're done with the marking. We're done with marking, so you can see me just following the lines and then tracing it out as you see. So we're done with one part of it. So I went ahead to cut out 2 of it, as you can see. So this is one part and then this is the other. So we're going to place it like this and run a straight stitch across to the other side, and afterwards we're going to fix the elastic band. So my waist is 36 inches, so I'm going to take out 6 inches from that 36 inches, and I'm going to join it together like this. Okay, we're going to join it. As you can see, you can either fix it like this and stitch on top, or you just hold it together, whichever way you know how to. Or you can weave that part and then do whatever you like, or you can go ahead and then join it together and then turn it like this. Can you see that? So you either do it this way, as you see me holding it, you do it this way and stitch, or you can go ahead and then turn it like this. You can decide to turn it like this inwards. Okay, turn it like this inwards, stitch, and then you open it up and stitch again. So you join this part up together like this. Can you see the one placing it? Then you open it up and then stitch on top. So that is what you can then do. Depends on what you want. So just go ahead now and fix the band to your skirt. So this is what I have here. It's a very quick one. Okay, it's not difficult to just place it and fix it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, you can wear this with whatever you want, however you want it. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.